Hello everyone and good morning. It's me again, Joseph, your host, and welcome back to our channel and the Daily Reflections. First of all, happy 4th of July for everyone in the U.S. Happy Independence Day. Saturday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time Year A brings together readings that look toward healing and new life. They speak to people who have struggled, waited, and hoped for change. God does not ignore broken places. He speaks with care and promise, even after hard seasons. These readings remind us that God is still at work. In the first reading, God promises to rebuild what has fallen. The psalm responds with trust that peace and faithfulness can grow again. Together, they reflect the long story of God staying close to His people. Even after mistakes and loss, God offers a future rooted in mercy and care. The Gospel for Saturday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time Year points to something new taking shape. Jesus explains that His presence changes how people live and respond. Faith is not frozen in the past. It grows as God leads His people forward, step by step, into new life. Now, friends, let us take a look at the readings for today. The first reading is from Amos chapter 9, verses 11 to 15. And today's responsorial psalm is from Psalm 85. Finally, the gospel reading for today is from Gospel of Matthew chapter 9, verses 14 to 17. Saturday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time brings us readings that focus on God's promises and Jesus' teachings. These reflections will help us understand how God restores, renews, and guides us through His love and faithfulness. Let us delve into the messages from the Book of Amos and the Gospel of Matthew. In the first reading, God promises to rebuild the fallen house of David. He speaks of restoring Israel and bringing prosperity to His people. This promise shows that God is always ready to renew and rebuild what has been broken. What areas of your life do you feel God is calling you to rebuild or renew? God's promise of restoration is a message of hope. It reminds us that no matter how difficult our situation may be, God can rebuild and restore us. This restoration is not just physical, but also spiritual, bringing us closer to Him. On Saturday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time, we see that God's plan includes a future where His people will never be uprooted again. This stability and security are gifts from God. They assure us that He will always be there for us. And in today's responsorial psalm, Psalm 85 comes from a time of return and rebuilding after exile. It reflects a people who have known loss, but trust that God brings forgiveness and peace. The psalm paints a picture of harmony, where truth, justice, mercy, and peace work together. This fits the Psalms as prayers shaped by real community struggles. On Saturday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time Year, this psalm echoes the wider message of Psalms as the voice of the people before God. It teaches that peace flows from reverence and right living. God's salvation is not distant but active, guiding the daily path of those who listen. In the Gospel, Jesus explains why His disciples do not fast while He is with them. He uses the analogy of new wine and old wineskins to show that His teachings bring a new way of understanding. This new beginning requires a fresh approach. Jesus' message is clear. The old ways cannot contain the new teachings He brings. Just as new wine needs new wineskins, our hearts need to be open to His new message. This openness allows us to fully embrace the life He offers. How can you let go of old habits or attitudes to embrace Jesus' new teachings? Saturday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time invites us to reflect on how we can be open to the newness of Jesus' teachings. We are called to let go of old ways that may hinder our spiritual growth. Embracing Jesus' new way brings us closer to God. Jesus tells the disciples of John the Baptist that His followers do not fast because He is with them. His presence brings joy and celebration. This is a time to rejoice, not to mourn. Where do you find joy in your relationship with Jesus? The joy that Jesus brings is a reflection of His love and care for us. When we are with Jesus, we experience a sense of peace and happiness. His presence fills our hearts with gladness. How can you trust more in God's promise to guide and care for you? On Saturday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time, we are reminded to find joy in our relationship with Jesus. His presence in our lives is a reason to celebrate. Let us cherish the moments we spend with Him and rejoice in His love. The readings and reflections for Saturday of the 13th week in Ordinary Time remind us of God's promises and the joy of new beginnings with Jesus. They encourage us to trust in God's plan, Open our hearts to Jesus' teachings and rejoice in his presence. Let us hold on to these messages as we continue our journey of faith. Now, friends, let us end our reflections today with a simple prayer. Dear Lord, thank you for your promises of restoration and renewal. Help us to embrace your new teachings and find joy in your presence. Guide us to trust in your plan and remain faithful to you always. Amen. Thank you, friends, for watching and joining me in today's daily reflections. I hope these reflections can be useful and helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video and our daily reflections, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more faith-inspiring contents and many more. Take care, everyone. Stay safe and healthy as usual. See you next time, and God bless you always.